If your condensate line is gurgling like crazy and ending in your washing machine drain stack, you gotta know what's really going wrong and how to fix it without losing your mind or money. So, here's the lowdown on tackling that annoying gurgling noise. First, check if the condensate line has a proper P-trap. This little U-shaped bend stops sewer gases from creeping into your home. If it's missing or messed up, that gurgle is gonna stick around. Next, make sure the line slopes downward continuously, like at least 1/4 inch per foot, so water flows out smoothly and doesn't pool or cause air bubbles. If the pipe loops or bows, like that 7-foot bend you mentioned, that's asking for trouble because water will get stuck and air gets trapped. Also, venting matters big time. Your condensate line needs to vent properly to avoid pressure issues causing those noises. If the vent is capped or blocked, the system won't breathe right. If you see 2 pipes blowing air forcefully, that sounds fishy. Usually, there should be 1 vent line working correctly, not competing ones. A quick test you can do is tap a piece of paper over the vent. If it blows off, no trap might be needed. If it sucks the paper in, a trap is definitely necessary. Lastly, never just remove or mess with the trap and slope without professional advice, because it often leads to more gurgling. One of the biggest mistakes with condensate line issues is not having a P-trap or having it installed wrong, which lets sewer gases sneak back in and causes that gross gurgling sound. Fix it by making sure the trap is installed right and not bypassed. Another common problem is poor slope or sagging pipes. If your line has a dip or bow like the 7-foot one you described, water pools and causes air bubbles that gurgle. Straighten the pipe and maintain a steady downward slope of about 1/4 inch per foot to keep water flowing out. Thirdly, improper venting is a huge culprit. If vents are capped off or you've got weird extra pipes blowing air next to each other, it messes with pressure balance. Fix this by ensuring the vent lines are open, correctly placed, and not doubled up unnecessarily. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource if you're tired of guessing and want to find trustworthy local contractors who actually know what they're doing with stuff like condensate lines. It also helps contractors get real work from homeowners who need legit help without the hassle.